Hello kiddos, let's learn together. Tap the dog that is outside the kennel.
Yes!
Tap the monster that is inside the wardrobe. Tap the frog that is outside the pond. Tap the car that is inside the garage.
Yes!
Tap the caterpillar that is outside the apple.
Yes!
Tap the monster that is outside the wardrobe. Tap the baby duck that is inside the bathtub. Tap the bird that is outside the nest.
Yes!
Tap the caterpillar that is inside the apple.
Yes!
Tap the monster that is inside the wardrobe. Tap the bird that is inside the nest. Tap the penguin that is outside the igloo. Tap the frog that is outside the pond. Tap the baby duck that is inside the bathtub. Tap the dogs that is inside the kennel. Tap the bird that is inside the nest. Tap the caterpillar that is inside the apple. Tap the baby duck that is inside the bathtub. Tap the monster that is outside the wardrobe. Tap the dogs that is outside the kennel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.